Alright, so we're going to, I actually had to go away to go ahead and set up the server so this would be an active system. So now we're going to reboot this because it's already set up. Alright, so we'll say restart. Since these are solid state systems, they start up pretty quick. Now notice it's doing a little update right there for Windows because now it has the internet connected to it. Sometimes that takes a lot longer than you see right now. So these systems are pretty up to date with out of the box. Alright, so now try to reboot. Notice this is really high res. 3840 by something. That's really high. Yours will probably be 19200 by something. Maybe. This is really high res. Now once we get this running again, it's going to try to automatically run the software if the internet's connected. Sometime when you first reboot these and you just set them up, the internet doesn't connect 100% right away. Okay? Looks like it's got some more updates to do. Yep, there we go. So notice now it's passing the login area because we didn't put a password in. So it's going straight into Windows. That pant-09 is how it literally connects itself. Alright, notice down in this bottom right corner still has a globe. That means it hasn't connected itself, even though the system's going to try to run in a minute. So we might have to go a little faster. We can ignore this. We will not connect to a cloud drive. So right now let's go ahead and hit the space bar and get out of that. And see this little globe? Because it didn't connect yet, let's click that and it might try to connect when we open it. Nope, see it didn't save to automatically connect. So let's go ahead and say connect. Now from now on it should, must have hit that twice. Okay, so it's connected now. You can tell that by, now you have the little Wi-Fi symbol instead of the globe. So now we can either reboot it or let's just go ahead and run the top icon that says damn digital signage. This will run automatically the next time it reboots. Let's go ahead and double click it. Notice in this bottom left corner you'll see something like a little red G. That means it connected to the internet good. If it was an I, that means the internet didn't connect. Alright, so it's setting itself up, downloading the first 3 ads. Matter of fact, all these systems I put in 3 ads on both sides because it needs at least 3 to run properly. So now notice that the sizing is all jacked, okay? Because every monitor is different. It's going to try to pick a different resolution. I used to set resolutions, but we don't care about that anymore. What I do is let the system find itself, and then I'll change the software accordingly. So once that's done and there's not done loading ads anymore, we can hit the R key, which tries to make it go right, and I'm going to shift key to make it go right real fast. For everyone, it jumps about 10 or 20 pixels until I get it to close to the end. Then I'll just press the right key without a shift and inch my way to the end until I get about right. Okay, we're about right there. Notice it's also too low, so I'll press the U key to go up with it. If you hold the shift, it'll jump up. And if we hit the H key, it'll show these little words. These words are a good symbol. These are like your status information. If you ever have an issue, you press the H and you'll get all this information. And it goes off every 15 seconds, basically when an ad changes. So you can see the display size ad that you need. Also the sponsor side, which is on the right side, it gives you the actual resolution. Okay? And a lot of information down here. Well, if it looks just right, now we can go and press the S key. And then we can just press save. Now it's going to save this sizing. Now to test to make sure that works, let's press the space bar to get out again. And go ahead and just run the software over again. You could reboot, but you can just run the software and just wait. So now it's going to connect to the server because the settings are saved over at the server level. And it should fix itself in a second. Oop, there you go. So that way we know it's working exactly right. and I am going to test to see if it can take a direct command remotely. From here, I'm going to send it a video file right quick using the go live command. Let's see. Alright, just go live. Now if you look in the left corner, a little asterisk might show up every 30 seconds or so. That's when it's looking to see if there's a remote command, a direct command being given to it. And let's see what happens. A few more seconds, you'll see underneath the picture on the left side, a little asterisk might pop. There it is, asterisk. It recognized that there was a command sent.
It's another
and I just happened to send the weather. Notice how it's blurry? It's going to detect it.
Is telling us that there's a lot of activity happening in the upper.
Refresh it for high. There you go, high res now. Refresh it, detected the resolution of that stream coming in, and reset itself to high def.
So I mentioned that next front that comes in.
So now we've tested the system, so we know it all works. Yeah, one more thing to do. Notice that the time is not right for me here. It's like 9:36 here.
But there's going to be a lot of rain.
So let's go to the space bar.
So Texas, be on alert. There's going to be some flooding potential from Houston down towards Galveston, maybe Corpus Christi, and even over into southern Louisiana along these southern parishes. There's just going to be a lot of rain. Eventually, a low pressure system is going to develop and move along the Gulf Coast. So
there we go. You might have to move the mouse around, even though you can't see it, to get down to the scrolling words and tap on that. So now that we're back here, let's go here and right mouse click the time and say adjust date and time. Hit set time zone automatically and also sync. Alright, so we've synced it. And now the time is correct. Alright, and we're done.